It's the bass. You can feel the bass. I'm not even halfway. Max value.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so in my last videos, I don't know if you saw them, but I did a review of the 150, the Denon Home 150, did a review of the Denon Home 250. I went and talked about the app, sound quality, and all the greatness about these speakers. Even compared this one to the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6. This 150 is going on sale for $250 right now. The 250 is going on sale for $499 right now, and then the 350, which this video is about, is going on sale for $699. In this video, I'm going to talk about this 350 and all the greatness that is encapsulated inside of this beautiful wireless speaker by Denon. So let's go. This big boy right here, this is the Denon Home 350, and this is the last video in their home lineup that I'm making. Like I said before, you had the 150, you had the 250, and now here's the big boy. This is the 350. And then also this comes in two different colors. You can get this in a black and you can get this in the white, and I did show the white ones for the 250 and the 150 as well. So on the front, you do have Denon Home 350 wireless speaker. And then again, let me reiterate, like I did in my last videos on the Denon Home lineup, this is a wireless speaker. This is not a portable speaker. There is a difference. So with portable, obviously you can take it anywhere you want to go. It has a battery life running with it. It just goes as long as there's battery. With this one, you do need AC power connected to this at all times for it to work. So if you're looking for a portable speaker, this won't be something that will satisfy your needs. On the back side, it says Denon Home 350 wireless speaker. Amazing sound in every room. Play songs or share playlists from favorite music services with the free HEOS app. Party mode even lets you play one song everywhere on HEOS compatible speakers. And here are the apps that it's compatible with: Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music HD, Sirius XM, SoundCloud, iHeartRadio, AWA, Napster, Deezer, TuneIn, Apple Music, and Tidal. And then once again, it's like their mission statement on the left side of the box. It's amazing sound built on 100 years of innovation. As Japan's first audio electronics manufacturer with a deep legacy of first, Denon is the defining audio company of Japan. Founded in 1910, we enabled the moments that matter. Through the relentless pursuit of quality, innovation, and audio performance, we innovate for a better experience. That's pretty much it for everything on the outside of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this big boy, see what we got on the inside. Okay, and just like the last two speakers straight out the box, you do have your literature right here: quick start guide, safety manual, and various different instructions and various different types of literatures. Go ahead and lift this up. There you go. What else is inside of here? Okay, so you do have your power cable, and then also you have this screw right here that will connect this speaker to a stand. And that's everything that's inside of the box. I like that, not too much to worry about. They give you like a shopping bag. That's different. I like that. And here you go. Nice clean look. Woo! I think I like this color better. This looks just cleaner than the white ones. I will compare this to the Sonos Play 5 that I reviewed. I'll put that YouTube card right here. And then just like on the other 150 and the 250, on the back side, you do have your power outlet right here. You have your Bluetooth pairing button, your aux in, your USB connection, your network connection, and your connect button. On the bottom side, you do get your rubberized feet. If you do get the stand for this, this is where you'll hook this stand up to. It got a little bit of weight to it. It's not your lightest speaker, obviously. Look at the size of it. And then on the front side, you do get your Denon logo right here, and you do have your status indicator light on the bottom side. So when you're hooking this up, it'll blink blue and it'll turn amber when it's ready to pair, which I will go through that in a little bit. And right here are some of the specs for the Denon Home 350. Built-in Class D amplifier 6, drivers 6, tweeters 2 x 19 millimeters, mid-range 2 by 50 millimeters and woofer 2 by 165 millimeters. You do get this nice mesh material covering the speaker grills. On the side, it's accented with this black plastic right here. On the top side, it is shiny, which will illuminate and show you the various buttons when you have power plugged into this. And unlike the 150 and the 250, on this one, you can have 6 preset radio stations that you have from one of the music services apps, and then you do have your play, pause, volume up, and volume down button that illuminates. And so, I mean, that's everything about the outside of this product. Very nice, clean looking. I actually do like the black one. It just looks cleaner, just this deeper black. I don't know if it just might be the light or whatever, but it just looks cleaner than the white ones in my opinion. But let me go ahead and put power to this, talk about the app, and let's hear how this sounds. Okay, and so as soon as you put power to this, you do see that the buttons do come up. You got your 1 through 6 on the top side, your different radio presets, your playing, your pause, your volume up, your volume down. And I do believe you can adjust the illumination on here. I do need to update this speaker, but as you can see, like on the 150 and 250, the status light on the front side blinks blue, and as soon as it's ready to pair, it will be amber. Okay, so let me go ahead and open up this app. If I click the gear icon, I can go and add a device, and then I need to wait for this to turn amber. It is amber right now, so I'm going ahead and hit next, and it says preparing for setup. A Denon Home 350 was found. Hit next. Airport setup, gathering information about your network. And I think I did go through all of this inside of the Denon Home 150 video. So if you already saw this, feel free to move forward or skip forward this part of the video. So we go ahead and hit next. Setting up AirPlay speaker to join this network. Okay, now it says setup complete. And it says connecting to your Denon 350. Okay, and so where is this going to go? I'm going to put this in, let's just say the theater room, even though I've got a theater room. It's going to go in my basement, but I didn't see basement on there. Your Denon Home 350 has successfully connected to the network. Enjoy. Done. So as you can see, my devices, I have the office, which is my 250, the playroom, which is my 150, and now the theater, which is this 350 big boy right here. So if I click on that, I can go ahead and adjust the EQ. So I'll turn that bass all the way up, turn that treble all the way up. And I'm only doing this for the experience of this video. I'll probably turn that stuff down when I'm actually listening to it. I'll put the quality on high, status lights, brightness all the way up, touch controls, longer fade out delay, brightness on those are all the way up, and advanced gives you your advanced network settings, like I said earlier on the other video. Software updates, check for updates. A newer version of the HEO software is available, and I do believe it's on this one because this is the last video of the 3 that I'm doing right now. And like it shows you right here, it shows you theater is currently downloading. So I'm going to let this download and I'll come back and we'll see exactly what has changed on here. So see you in a little bit. Okay, so now that software has been updated, let me go ahead and click done and then go back and then let me check on some of the buttons. So let me see the theater. Okay, so now what it added the placement. So this one will be open space away from walls. So I'll leave it at that. And then everything else is the same, nothing else to show here. So let me go to music sources, online music. It shows you all the different things you can sign into: SoundCloud, Tidal, Amazon, Deezer, iHeartRadio, Napster, Pandora, Rhapsody, SiriusXM, Spotify, TuneIn, and Mood Mix. Network shares. I don't have any network shares. This phone, music sharing. This is where you can share your music, allows anyone else on your local network with HEOS app to browse and play music from your device on your HEOS system. I'm not going to activate that right now. Get help, different things right here. Check my system, support website, report an issue, contact us, share my screen, legal, and reset controller. And then you also get tips from HEOS and the HEOS app, voice control, AV receiver, speaker, soundbar component, hi-fi, and mini system. And so now it's time, people. Let me turn this up for you guys. It's about to drop. You ready? Here it goes. Here it goes. You feel the bass in your chest? Oh my God. Oh my God. That's a beast right there. I'm telling you. The price tag on this one is $700. But I am telling you, people, listen to me. If you are in the market for a speaker, your centerpiece of your entertainment system, or you just want amazing bass just to have in an office environment or something, I mean, you can even take this outdoors if you want to. Hook this up outdoors. Obviously, keep it away from any water because you'll probably just mess this up completely. But this is a beast right here. I highly recommend this. I do. I really do. Okay, so now that I do finally have all three devices, you got your 350, you got your 150, you got your 250. They are all hooked up to my mobile device. And I did talk about the connect button on the back of each device, and that connect button is just to connect it to your Wi-Fi connection. It's not to connect them to each other. Now I'm gonna show you how to group these all together so that you can get all of these playing the same music. Okay, so inside of the app right here, you will want to go to your Office tab, and inside your Office tab, it tells you drag one room into another to group them. So I like the music that I was playing from the 250. So what I'm gonna do is just hold the theater, drag it to the Office. So it's going to be playing what was on the Office, and I'm gonna hold the Playroom, drag it to that group. And so now it's making everything play this same one right here. So if I go over here, hit play, turn the volume up. It's coming out of both of these. So let me turn this one down. Turn this one down. So as you can hear, it's coming out of this center one. Now if I turn this center one down, turn this 250 up, coming out of here. Turn this one down, turn the 150 up. It's coming out of here. So that's how you put together all three of these. You can have all three of these in a separate room playing the same music. Now I don't know if it's in true stereo, because true stereo, let's say you have either one of these set up in an entertainment environment hooked up to a TV, you would hear a sound on this speaker. It might not be on this speaker. Like if someone's running, you would hear them running from this side to this side, or if like there's a gunshot, only the gunshot will go off on this side and not this side at all. So I'm not sure if it's in true stereo right now. Okay, so one thing that I did notice is that if I'm not playing music and I'm on Netflix, I'm in the Rooms tab inside this app, and I'm trying to group these together. But as you can see at the top, it says grouping not allowed while playing AirPlay. So I was trying to test out to see if this is going to go in true stereo like I talked about before, but I'm not able to test that out. I don't know, maybe I just need to sit with these and do a little bit more research or just a little bit more testing on these to see if these can be in true stereo. So if that's a question that you have, I don't have the answer right now. And if you do leave that comment down below, I'll go ahead and pin that comment so maybe someone else can answer that for you. But as of right now, you can play the same thing on each of these in any part of the house that you have, as long as it's on the same Wi-Fi network. But if it's in true stereo, that's something that I still have to figure out. So sorry that I couldn't answer that question for you. And so yeah, people, that is all I got. That is my full review. The sound quality on here is just out of this world. The bass is phenomenal. You get crystal clear highs even when you're on max volume. Bass all the way up, treble all the way up. The mid tones on here, I wasn't really evaluating this for mids. I'm pretty sure with the overall sound quality, just hearing the highs and the lows, that the mids on here with instrument separation on various tracks, picking out various voices, from female voices to men's voices. It just has to be good. I mean, I don't doubt that in the slightest. I didn't get to test that out to the fullest, but I have very high confidence that the mids on here are amazing as well. And so, yeah, man, that's it. If this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video at all whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.